Everyone thinks the best-selling dip powder nail kits are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AZORBUTY 31 PCS Dip Powder Nail Kit. The AZORBUTY 31 PCS Dip Powder Nail Kit caught my eye right away, especially with its vibrant range of 20 colors. Priced at $27.99, it's labeled as a bestseller, which says a lot. If you're after a full set that caters to different styles, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed to make your life easier. You get 20 different shades, all skin tone friendly, plus a complete liquid set that includes a base coat, top coat, and activator. What's great here is that it promises to last for about 28 days without chipping, which is perfect for those of us who are busy but still want gorgeous nails. Plus, no need for a nail dryer means you can skip that annoying wait under harsh lights. This matters because it's skin-friendly and eliminates the risk of damaging your nails from UV exposure. Now, some users mention that the colors can vary slightly from the pictures. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys experimenting with colors, that might actually be fun and not a deal breaker. Plus, the quality and longevity make it worth it for most. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit that allows for creativity and variety. Skip this one if you're looking for just a single shade or something super minimalist. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the need for lots of colors and accessories isn't your thing, this next one takes a simpler approach with a focus on essentials. Product number 2, AZORBUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter. Next up is the AZORBUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter, another standout from the same brand. It's also priced at $27.99 and equally popular, making it hard to ignore. If you're a beginner looking for a simple yet effective kit, this one's definitely worth checking out. This kit is specifically designed for those just starting with dip nails. It includes everything you need: 20 different colors, essential liquids, and even a recycling tray to make applying and reusing powder easier. What I found impressive is it promises to last just as long as the first kit, about 28 days. This is because it's made with a healthier formula that won't damage your nails. And again, there's no need for a nail lamp. So if you want something that's easy to use and still gives you salon-quality results, this is a solid choice. However, some users have pointed out that the colors might not be as vibrant as they appear in the photos. But honestly, if you're a beginner, a more muted tone might actually work better for you as you learn the ropes. This kit is perfect for you if you're just getting started with dip nails and want a complete package. Skip this one if you're aiming for more advanced techniques or unique color combinations. For what you're getting, it's an excellent value. Now, if you find yourself needing just the essential liquids for your dip powder journey, this next product might fit your needs perfectly. Product number 3, Azure Beauty Dip Powder Liquid Set. If you're looking for a focused option, the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Liquid Set might be exactly what you need. Priced at $13.99, it's a great budget-friendly choice. If you want to enhance your existing dip kit or need reliable liquids, this set is definitely worth considering. This set includes everything you need: a base coat, top coat, activator, and brush saver. What makes it stand out is the quick drying time. You can expect your nails to be ready in just about 60 seconds. Plus, it's designed to be skin-friendly and doesn't require a lamp, so you can save time and avoid potential skin damage, a huge plus. This means you can easily achieve a beautiful finish without all the fuss. But here's the catch. Some customers mention that the bottles can be a bit small for regular users. However, if you're just doing your nails occasionally or looking to refill your main kit, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This set is perfect for you if you want to supplement your dip powder kit with essential liquids. Skip this if you're looking for a full kit with colors included. For the price, it's an excellent way to keep your nails looking fresh. Now, if you want a more professional-grade option, the next product on the list might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Modelone's Dip Powder Liquid Set. The Modelone's Dip Powder Liquid Set comes in at $14.62 and caught my attention with its promise of salon-quality results at home. If you're serious about your nail care and want quality, this set is worth a serious look. This kit contains everything you need to create a long-lasting manicure. The base coat promotes optimal adhesion, ensuring your dip powder stays put. The activator speeds up the drying process, which is a must for busy schedules. Plus, you won't need any UV light. That's a significant concern for many users who want to protect their skin. With a rating of 4.5 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate the durability and finish of this set. However, there are a few complaints about the brush saver not being as effective as expected. But honestly, if you take good care of your brushes, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable set that guarantees salon-quality results at home. Skip this one if you're just trying out dip powders for the first time. For the investment, you're getting quality and longevity. And finally, if you're looking for a healthier formula option, the last product might just be for you. Product number 5, Salon Dip Powder Liquid Set. Last but not least, we have the Salon Dip Powder Liquid Set priced at $15.99. This one adds a unique twist with its HEMA-free formula. If you're concerned about nail health, this set is definitely worth checking out. This kit includes all the essentials and emphasizes a healthier approach to nail care. The formula is low odor and aims to protect and strengthen your natural nails while delivering long-lasting results. Users have reported that their manicures can last up to 21 days, which is pretty impressive. However, some users found that the application process could be a bit tricky for complete novices. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you're likely to appreciate the quality it brings. This is perfect for you if you prioritize nail health and want an easy-to-use kit. Skip this one if you're looking for something more traditional or expect instant results. For the price, it offers great value, especially considering the health-conscious formula. So we've covered 5 popular dip powder nail kits today. From the comprehensive AZUREBAUTY kits to the essential liquid sets and the health-conscious SAVILAND option, there's something for everyone. Depending on your needs, be it variety, simplicity, or nail health, these kits can help you achieve those gorgeous nails you've been dreaming of.